At IPREPTODAY Skills Foundation, we believe in the power of education to change lives and shape the future. As a Section 8 nonprofit, we unite visionaries from academia, IT, oil and gas, and beyond to bridge the gap between traditional learning and the evolving demands of the modern world. Our state-of-the-art EdTech platform is more than just a tool. It's a gateway to opportunity, growth, and transformation, empowering students, educators, and professionals through skills development and mentorship programs, Teacher-Educator Training and global citizenship initiatives, digital certifications and micro-credentials, learning management system LMS solutions, community upliftment and entrepreneurship enablement. Through workshops, bootcamps, and customized training, we ignite potential and fuel dreams. This is more than education, it's a movement, and you can be a part of it. Connect with us, info@ipreptoday.org. Join the journey, today.org.